What's going on, guys? We've had some pretty big announcements this week. Creality, Bambu Lab, and Elegoo all dropping little teasers on their next technology release. I'm going to be going through all the talking points on each one of these releases, when they're supposed to be released. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Nick. I like to give out no fluff tutorials and news on the 3D printing industry. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, I thought I'd do something a little different today. I put together this presentation. It lays out each one of these releases, starting with Creality, which is supposed to happen tomorrow at 7 p.m. Arizona time. Next up is going to be Bambu Lab. That's happening on June 1st, and that's going to be at 7 a.m. Arizona time. And on June the 4th at 7 a.m. Arizona time, Elegoo is going to be dropping their release. And if you're not aware of any of this information, that's not a big deal. I'm going to go through all the talking points in my slideshow right now. So Creality announced the KliTek next gen nozzle changing machine. The tagline is next gen nozzle changing colors, materials, and print in place. This is tied to Creality's 12th anniversary. It's kind of a great opportunity for them to come out with some new tech on their anniversary. So great timing on that. So my read on this is going to be leaning towards a tool changing style. Shipping comparison is going to be something similar to the Bambu Vortex system on the H2C. I particularly like the H2C system. We get 7 colors out of it. It's may not be the fastest, but I have not experienced any issues with my Vortex system so far. What we don't know. So we don't know how many nozzles or colors. There are speculation that it's going to be 9. If you look at the image here closely, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different filament colors all along the top of this image here. What the price is going to be. Now, is this going to be a new machine, or is it going to be an upgrade to one of their existings, like their flagship K2 machines? We don't know any of that information, and we're going to have to wait till tomorrow at 7 p.m. How much waste? I'm guessing going to be 0. I think that is the main goal for every manufacturer right now. They're trying to get out a 0 waste, some type of tool changing, nozzle changing machine. So my ask for you guys, what do you think Creality actually built? A Vortex system nozzle changing, or an IDX system with 2 independent heads, or a tool changer like the Snapmaker U1? Tell me in the comments below. If you're right, I'm going to call you out on it. I'm going to go back through my comments, see who actually guessed the correct information. So moving on to Bambu, we've got a little bit of information here. Suspected that an A2 machine was coming out. I've been wanting a large printer from Bambu, and I think we're finally going to get it. Now, the big question is, how big of a bed is it? My question for you guys, what do you think the bed volume is going to be on the machine like this? My big hope would have been a 500 by 500. That's just kind of a number that the R2 building community is stuck on, and that fits the R2D2 head and the whole body, so you can print the whole body in one single piece. So a 500 by 500. I think that's I think that's a big reach. My first printer was a 500 by 500 machine. What do you guys think it's going to be? I think conservatively we're looking at 400 plus, 400 by 400 something plus, and that is my thought on it. Going back to some of the data that is involved with this Bambu release, there is a patent CN120096089A. I'll drop a link down below. You can take a look at it. It was filed by Bambu on March 20th of 2025, and then it was granted in January 26th. So they've been working on this for quite some time. Title and core claims. It's a calibration method patent, not a product patent. So that is some of the speculation that's been going around, that this patent was on not an actual product itself. But the patent doesn't just mention dual nozzles, it describes them as the core use case. Claims include nozzle switching, color per nozzle setup, X and Y offset measurement. The translation from this patent is Bambu has been developing a dual nozzle calibration tech for the A1 class machine since March of 2025. Now, whether it's tied to the X2D, who knows? Maybe we'll see something, some crossover in that aspect. This technology could ship on the A2L or it could be reserved for something that is coming, later on down the road. What is the size bed that you guys think that this printer is going to have? So let's go ahead and move on. Quick break here. Hit that like button, drop a comment, smash the like button, drop me a comment on what we've been talking about so far. Hit that hype if you got some of those. That'd be awesome. That helps me out a ton. And let's go ahead and move on to Elegoo. Elegoo, we are going to be releasing on June the 4th at 7 a.m. Arizona time. And their teaser is a little more coded. So I'm just going to kind of walk through my thoughts on this. It's basically going to be a collaboration, and we don't know what kind of, is it a company collaboration? Is it a maker collaboration? Is it an influencer? Who knows? They don't really explain in it. So very interested to see what this all entails when they release on June the 4th, 7 a.m. Arizona time. This is definitely going to be the most mysterious out of all three of it. It's got a collab FDM, and a partner isn't even named. So the special edition and your vibe angle says design and branding play, not a spec war. So we don't know what this could entail. It could be something spectacular and blow us all away. I'm excited for Elegoo on this. Themed machine, limited run, maybe a partner outside of 3D printing. These are just my thoughts. They've just released the Jupiter 2. If you're not familiar with the company, they also have the Centauri Carbon 2, and they released their multi-color system, which is called the Canvas color system. It's super cheap. It's 55 bucks. Attaches to your Centauri Carbon. If you have one of those, that machine is super cheap and affordable. It's a great machine. I have one. Never ran into issues with that machine. Check them out too, Elegoo. So obviously the biggest question, who is this collab partner with? That's going to be super exciting to see. And I think we're going to be surprised when they release that. Drop it in the comments. What do you think this is going to be? A game, a brand, a creator? What kind of collaboration do you think Elegoo has put forth in this teaser that they have going right now? Drop it in the comments. If you're right, I'll call you out on my pinned comment in this video. That's the end of all of this. We've got Creality. Let's go back to the intro. We got Creality releasing on tomorrow, May 29th at 7 p.m. Arizona time. Then June the 1st, Monday, is going to be 7 a.m. Arizona time. And then June 4th is Elegoo, and that's going to be June 4th at 7 a.m. Arizona time. Again, if you guys are enjoying this type of content, I spent some time putting together this presentation for you. Hit that like button, shoot me a comment, let me know you guys enjoy this type of stuff. I can do a lot more just like this. Again, my name is Nick. I hope you guys are having a great day, and as always, happy printing.